All right. Hello, guys. My name is Chris. Today, I would quickly like to take you on a studio tour of Christmas real estate company. And then, of course, this is also Christmas digital network services. So, I would quickly like to take you on a tour of our facility where I would be showing you our studio and some of the equipments that we use. I would like to start with where the magic actually takes place, and that is the laptop. Now, this is actually a Samsung laptop, a ProBook, all right, a ProBook, a ProMat book, and after the laptop, we have the mic, the condenser mic with the stand that is connected to the laptop should in case we are doing our podcast. That is the microphone that we use, a condenser mic. And then you have the tripod stands. Now, if we are having, perhaps, let's say we are doing live stream and intend to use more than one camera. So you have one stand, two, and then three. And then this is the LED mic. And then, of course, this is the LED mic, and this is the ring lights, and this is the flower used for the background, you know, and this is the seats that we use, the seat that spins around. All right. I love to use this chair a lot. I feel very comfortable with it. And of course, that is the round table. And what else do I need to talk about? We have chairs. This is the backdrop that we like to use when we are doing our Christmas real estate programs. And then if we are doing, let's say, Christmas digital products, we have the bookshelf and then we have the board. All right. These are several chairs that serve different purposes. So this is the board. What we do on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So on Mondays, you can see we have educational tutorials, long form video. On Tuesdays, real estate, books, education tour, short videos. Wednesday, short videos, education, that's the backbone. And then real estate, Thursdays, real estate tour update, and then world events. Fridays, education. And this actually gives me a lot of inspiration. You know, we've done a video on the tree of stupidity. Go watch that video. It will help you a lot. This is my favorite YouTube chair, this very chair. I love it a lot. And then this white chair, I'm a lover of white and the blue backdrop. And then this is the TV we use to review our content and then see how it looks like on television. Okay, this is the Constitution of Nigeria that helps us to know that there is a need for us to be patriotic and constantly look for ways to guide ourselves to avoid trouble with the government. And then this is my favorite corners, okay, in the studio. Growth mindset, growth and movement is not the same. All right, mercy, original values, energy training, helping, grace, riches, opportunities, wealth, talents, and then, of course, habits. I love this as well. This is my dad. This is my dad. All right. I miss him a lot. He's late now. That was his friend. That picture was taken in 1990 when I was doing my matriculation at the University of Benin. And then this is my favorite recognition certificate given to me by Pertinence Group. And it says that this is to certify, this certificate is awarded to Ehato Christian Osaze for your outstanding service, tireless efforts, and constant support to the company and its projects for the past 10 years. That is Sunday Oloruseyi and Wisdom Ezekiel. And then this is the clock that tells me when it is time to go home. So you can see today is Tuesday, 23rd July, and it is 4:19 p.m. That's a picture of myself, my family, myself, my son, and my son's brand. So this is my favorite corner in the house, in the studio. Um, we have a lot of books. We have several books. Most of these books, I get ideas from these books. All right, I get ideas from these books. These are cartons of several products we've bought. All right, amazing, 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 amazing. So this a brief tour of our office. This is where all the magic takes place. All right, this is where all the magic takes place. This is the LED light. It was actually gifted to me by Dr. Andy Ikede, a very good um, friend of the house. He will always tell me, Chris, the video is good, but the lighting is very poor. So he actually gifted me this light, and I was surprised the day I received it. Thank you, Dr. Andy Ikede. Like I said, this is the powerhouse. This is the laptop, a ProBook. All right, you can see it's a ProBook. Okay, the ProBook. There's one at home. There's one in the office. And this is book by one of my favorite authors, Laura Ikeji Kanu. She talked about how to make money on Instagram, the brand influencer guide, how to grow your followers from 0 to 50K plus, how to get paid daily, how to advertise your business to your target audience. So these are the things that really encourages me to read, to focus, to know how we do what we do. Now, this is the wireless mic. I have two of it. One is stationed in the office, the other is mobile. I carry it around everywhere I go. So that's it. And then this is my business card, the Mindset Academy 10 times better. You can see this QR code you can scan, and then Christmas digital. What else have I missed out? This is for the Wi-Fi. All right. This for the Wi-Fi. And like I said, this is the Constitution of Nigeria. And then this as well. So I love this corner. Okay. Okay. We are doing business with us. We are saying that you can become a landlord with 100K. All right. The Christmas Real Estate Company Project 2023. www.christmas.com. What else have I missed out? Whatever I've missed out, when next we do another studio tour, we will update. I hope you have learned something. I hope you have really learned something. And so what you need to do now is to comment, to, subscribe to this channel and help us to grow. Okay? So that's it. Once more, my name is Ehato Christian Osaze. When is to come your way again, we would have fresh edition of Real Talks with Chris Ehato. And like I said, this is where the magic is done. This is where the magic is done. Yep. God bless you. Bye.